It is February 9th, 2021. I got a call from an older couple that they have no hot water. So I know they got an oil-fired boiler there. I'm not quite sure if they got a storage. I believe they got a storage tank on the side of the thing. And they didn't complain about no heat. They said no hot water. So I believe they got a T-Gerlin power venter there. And well, we're on our way over. They're supposed to get 1 to 3 inches of snow today. We got like probably 5 inches of snow the other day, Super Bowl Sunday. I didn't do no footage on it because I had to clean it at night. It stopped snowing in the middle of the night, probably about 8 o'clock. So I'm out there in the middle of the night moving the snow, and wouldn't have made a good video. So been kind of using my little John Deere 318 snowblower setup. The trackless is only good if you get a lot of snow and it's dry, it's not wet snow. So the little John Deere does pretty good. I use that, and I did do a lot of modifications to that this year. I'm going to do a video on that. But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots. Me and Miss Molly are out working. We'll go see if we get them hot water, see what's going on. We'll get you some shots when I get there. It's off. It's off on safety.
This is starting up again.
Yeah, so it's been shutting off. It's been a while since you did the nozzle. Been a couple of 3 years. Let me do the nozzle. Did you run out of oil? You're not sure.
Well, we got plenty of oil.
Yeah, but did you run out?
Did we run out?
Did you run out of oil?
No, never.
Because if you run out, then you got to believe there'll be air in it.
No, we've never run out of oil.
No, it looked like there was truck tires in the driveway there. Was that an oil truck that just got delivered?
No, that was the fellow with the snow plow.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let me get it going for you. We'll get it started. Got glycol in the system. Looks a little. It's a little mucky. All right. Let me get my tools. Well, we're 170 in a boiler, and he's got his supply and returns pretty hot, so I think he's got a problem with the cartridge upstairs under the shower. He's an older guy. He's hard to understand what the hell he's blabbering about. But we got to change the nozzle and check the oil flow first, because this is tripped. Unless he's been down here playing with it. I don't know. Could be the shower cartridge is bad because it says you get no hot water in the shower. Let's change the nozzle. It's been a while since the nozzle's been changed. It's got to be changed. Got a baffle in this thing. I'm surprised it's got a... He might have been down here playing with it, because the thing is flipping hot. Oil is warm. Wow! Oh shit, nothing was on there. Check out oil flow, see what we got for oil flow and spark and
Why isn't it making any noise?
well, the circulators are over there by the oil tank. Circulators are over there. I believe they're running. We're going to get this up and running, and then we're going to check it. I think you might have a bad cartridge in your shower. You're saying your shower's not getting hot?
Well, it's warm up there now.
It is.
Yeah.
When you first get up in the morning, when you go to take a shower, you turn the hot water on. It's going to take a little while because the water's been sitting in the pipes all night and it's cooled down.
Okay.
So when you first turn on the hot water, you got to get all that piping that's sitting in the pipes out before the hot water comes.
Okay.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So as soon as you turn it on hot, it's not going to be hot in the morning. Later in the day, as you've been running the hot water, it will be.
Okay.
Could that be what the issue is?
Why isn't this making any noise? When that thing's on,
Well, the circulators are over there. See, they're over there by the oil tank. That's where the circulators are. See them?
yeah, I guess so. I don't know what.
That's them. The circulators are over there.
Okay.
We'll see if we get this thing up and running. We'll check our oil flow. And check our oil flow and we'll see. Get it up and running, and we'll check the hot water. See what we're getting for oil flow here. Ooh, that's loose right there. That's loose as a goose.
On.
Well, hang on a second. This wire's loose here. It's not good. Make sure these wires are good, nice and connected on there well, you know. If not, I'm not gonna get a good connection. Oh, things all kind of cattywampus on me. You retired now? Are you retired?
What,
Are you retired?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good for you. I mean, really?
Yeah.
90?
90 in a few months.
Wow, good for you. What's your secret? What's your secret?
I'm sorry?
What's your secret?
I've got bad ears.
What's your secret? What's the secret to a long life?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Crazy sex with the wife? No? Is that the secret? He don't hear me. So we get a good connection here, and these wires weren't connected all that good. We'll try it, see what we get for oil flow.
Is it going?
Getting a good oil flow there. That's not an issue.
This is good.
Well, give me a minute. Give me a minute, please.
What the hell happened?
Did you come over and hit this button?
Yes,
You did hit it.
I did.
Okay. I think the burner's been running okay. You come over here and you hit this.
Yeah.
I think you come over and you hit this reset and you tripped it. So when I got here, the boiler was already warm.
Yeah.
So I think what the issue is upstairs, we're gonna go check the water upstairs, but it might have a cartridge upstairs in the shower that's bad. But we did need to give this thing a new nozzle. We're getting a good oil flow. So we'll be good here. We're gonna check it upstairs.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
We'll get to the bottom of it. You gotta be like an Inspector Clouseau.
Is that water they put in there?
Oil.
Oil. Oh, okay.
New nozzle, good oil flow. Circulators are over here. That's the one right there going over, number 3, for the hot water. Definitely put your hand on that. That's the return coming back. Feel that pipe. Feel that pipe.
Well, that's nice and hot.
Well, that's the hot water coming back from the water heater, so it is definitely heating. Okay. You feel it? That's the return coming back. Okay. So we might have an issue upstairs with your cartridge or something. Because we got a top performer here, and you can see the supply and return is definitely hot. Feel it here.
Okay.
So we know that's working, right?
Yep.
Feel that pipe.
Nice and warm.
Now feel this one. That's the same. That's the supply and return coming in the top. Feel that one.
That's nice and hot.
That's nice and hot. So that's going to heat this water up inside this container. But we might have an issue with the hot water upstairs, or you might not be running it long enough. Say you're sleeping all night and you turn the water on.
Yeah.
You got to get all this water that's been sitting in the pipe out because it's not hot anymore.
Okay.
Could that be your issue?
I don't know. You could take a look at it.
We're gonna go look upstairs.
Power.
Yeah. I know. At least the power venter's running. We know that's running. You got oil in the tank.
Yep.
That's a 330 tank. We know the circulator's running. We know we're getting hot water to this heater. We'll have to go look upstairs. Well, is this new? Is this new? You didn't have this turned up all the way. Gotta give it a little while for the water to get here. When you first turn it on, right, you gotta get all that water that's sitting in the pipe out before it's gonna get warm.
Okay.
Feel it now.
Oh, it's nice and hot now.
And another thing that this was turned to 100. See it? So this is your temperature.
Yeah.
You didn't have this set right, but it's getting warm now. Feel it now.
Yeah, it's good now.
Okay.
Yep.
And then if you want it a little cooler, you could turn this down a little bit.
Okay.
But we know it's working.
Okay.
So you might have just rushed to judgment or had this turned down too low.
Okay.